Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Mo.co on your Android device. Whether you are using smartphones or tablets, here is how you can do it. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then launch open your Google Play Store. Once you do that, go to the search bar at the bottom of the screen and then in the search box at the top, type in Mo.co and search. Once you see the search results, look for the Mo.co app from Supercell and tap Install. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. And once the installation is done, you will be able to download and install Mo.co on your Android device. Ensure that your device runs on Android 11 or higher for optimal performance. The game requires approximately 98 MB of storage, so make sure that your device has enough storage space. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.